everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you all what is math module in Python. The math module is a standard module in Python and is always available to use mathematical functions. Under this module you have to import module using math. It gives access to the underlying C library functions. So let's see how to do this thing. Let's just close this terminal so we have space. What you have to do is you have to press import and click and search for math. Now if you have any problem, then just launch a terminal and paste this command which is available in the terminal, but it would be there already. So import maths. After that, what you have to do is, like in the pivot kit, what we did was just wrote pivot kit dot. So let's write math now dot square root. SQRT means square root of suppose 22. So if we run this program from here, it's not running. We don't know why. So that's not the same thing with the square root. Like what you have to do is make a variable, store this thing in a variable. So for that, what you have to do is make a variable, suppose w. Now let's see if it runs or not. Just wait for a second. It's not running. What you have to do is you can see it's there. So I hope you all understood how to do this thing. So we got to print the variable and to use it. I hope you all understood it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos, and I'll meet you all in the next video.